The Pacific Casual Gazebo was sold at Kroger and various retail stores. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number 5LGZ2415. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 8x8 square and is 2-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are L-shaped panels, design at top of each panel with fabric at the bottom. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit this gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura Pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.